Salete discipuli, here's an explanation video for the sentence that you should have just translated in your pod. That is, ne sapiens et diligens orator malos libros scribat. So, first we're being asked to determine which type of subjunctive this is, purpose clause, gessive subjunctive, or neither. Now, it will only be neither if you do not have a subjunctive in there at all. Now, if we look here at scribat, we can see that it actually is a subjunctive, even though it might look imperfect, because scribo, scribere, stem will be scribe, and then we add the a, and then we add our ending T here. So that is a subjunctive. The A is a subjunctive middle vowel for the third conjugation. Okay, next we need to determine which type of subjunctive sentence it is. So we look for an ut. We see an et and a ne, but no ut. So that's one thing. Next we look for a ne. We do have a ne, but we need to determine where our ne is in the sentence. Here it's the beginning of the sentence. And ne at the beginning of the sentence tells us that this is a gessive subjunctive, whereas a ne in the middle of the sentence would tell us that it's a purpose clause. So we've decided it's a gessive subjunctive. Now we have to parse our verb, scribat. We look at our ending, which is a T. We get third person singular. We only know present, so present, and then it's a T rather than a ter, so active subjunctive of scribo, scribere. Now we get to translate. So we've marked our verb already. We have scribat. Now we need to determine everything else. So our subject is going to be this orator here, and sapiens and diligens will go with orator to describe it. Next we have malos libros. Malos goes with libros, and that's accusative, so that's a direct object. So now that we've kind of parsed out our sentence, it's time to translate. So we're translating a gessive subjunctive, so we are going to start with our verb. Here, let the sapiens, the wise, et diligens, and diligent orator, let him, ne means not, scribat, write, malos libros, evil or bad books. So let the wise and diligent orator not write evil books. That's our complete sentence. Remember that the ne tells us that it's a negative gessive, which is a not in our gessive clause.